Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to a brand new video. Hopefully it's not too shaky, but I'm running back home now because the shop that wants to do my oil change has an opening. Your boy gotta make it home. Let's go. Let's just cross the street. Let's cross the street. Come on. Damn, guys, take a look at these freaking BBS wheels. These things are deep. Super wide body GTR right here. Look at the wing up there. Sheesh. This thing is crazy. I like how it looks all black. Damn. And then underneath it, we got that Supra. Legendary Supra. So I'm with the boys now, and Ivan got his car painted recently, but if you guys want to stay updated on that, you have to follow which account? Stay Glossy?
No, Nardo has.
Nardo, but then
I need to change the
name. Hypebeastarrest.com for contact.
Shopsotopia.com.
Oh shoot! Oh my god!
Oh my gosh. Dude, what's going on? What's going on? Oh. Dude, she hit it.
Shut up.
No, I'm just kidding. So David is doing some paperwork. He actually sold that car like a week ago. Dude, it looks sick though. You guys aren't ready for this.
I won't change my name until we do the video. So
okay.
You'll know.
Nardo IS.
Yeah, just Nardo IS.
Comment down below what color you guys think Ivan is painting his car or painted his car. And if somebody gets it right, I'll leave
him a cut.
I'll give you a kiss. How about that? No, I'll give you guys something dope. Just comment down below what do you guys think he painted his car.
Should we give him a hint or no?
No hint. No hint. There's a Roy G. Biv.
Yeah.
Just full Roy G. Biv.
I know there's some people that know the color, but I know who y'all are, so it's like.
If you know the car color, don't enter. Okay. If you know Ivan personally. If you don't, then just comment a color.
Yeah.
Look at this guy. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Alright guys, we are at Pepper Lunch right now. Look at this goodness. Comes on this little sizzling plate. You gotta mix it up. Oh, is that butter in there? Is that butter? Mmm.
You're gonna see all that corn later.
Yeah? Ooh. I got egg on his. I haven't got the same thing that I got.
Sir. First time in the GTR.
First time in the GTR, Ivan. How do you feel?
Sick. Honestly, I was gonna do one of those TikTok videos where I was gonna say, "Hey, how many likes can I get until I get to drive it?"
You get to just drive it, dude.
Now
you don't need the likes. You just hit it. It should say, oh yeah, M right there. You're good.
We need a steering wheel for this though.
I know. We're gonna get the carbon steering wheel.
Say M pedals.
We're just gonna cruise for a little bit, alright? Subi!
That's kind of thing.
Let's keep going straight. Yeah.
Brakes are free. They're solid.
The racing brakes, man.
It's like it doesn't feel, even in low gear, like it's not boggy or anything. Like compared to my Lexus, like being in second gear, still going pretty slow. Like you feel it, like
Oh yeah, jerky.
yeah. Oh, I still remember in the Tesla, people were saying I was driving like grandma because I was just driving with.
No, with the GTR, you have to do that. Beautiful Mexico. Let's go. We in Mexico. Make it go. Let's go left. You give it a little bit of throttle. A little bit of throttle left. Just that way, like the curve way. Just watch out for the railroad.
Holy shit.
Yo, it's more scarier when you're the passenger, like, oh my god.
That's why I always like to be the passenger first in the car than to drive it. Because you just feel it like way like crazier.
Yes, it's scarier when the passenger. Like I said, guys, we're in Mexico. Tijuana. Shout out Tijuana.
Dude, it feels so good. It's so planted. Going, I don't even know how fast we're going taking that turn, but it feels
good. Feels good. It feels safe.
Yeah.
It's a little scary when you're the passenger, but it feels safe still. Oh man.
Is this your first time being passenger?
No, not well. Actually, I was a passenger before. What is this dude playing chicken? I was passenger before, but I don't think anybody drove it.
Step on it.
Yeah, they drove it like crazy. That was good though.
Yeah, this is a adrenaline.
Are your hands getting clammy?
A little bit, yeah.
That's the GTR experience. All right, we just got the Cobb Access tuner. We airdropped like 1,000 horsepower tune into this one, so we just need to click it up real quick. Click, 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 click.
If you ever feel like you don't want to get up from bed and you have this car, just fucking go for a ride.
Just hit me
It'll
up.
Wake your ass up.
If you don't have the car, hit me up. I'll let you drive it.
Dude, I'm like sweating. Like, fucking look at my pores. Like,
Downshift, baby. Alright y'all, that's going to end today's vlog. I know this one was a little bit random. It's because the first part was filmed at a certain time, and then the last part with Ivan driving the car was filmed at a different time. But I just wanted to end this video to kind of wrap everything together. And thank you guys for watching and supporting these videos. The main reason I feel comfortable with my friends driving my car and I almost encourage them to drive my car is because I got the similar experience a very, very long time ago. I didn't necessarily get to drive the car, but I've came across some friends that had the GTR and they let me sit in it, gave me some rides, and it really helped me set my goal to finally own one someday. So without that, I don't know if I would have that internal drive to, you know, keep going, have something to look forward to, have something to work my way up to, if that makes sense, you know. And you could do that with your friends on a much smaller scale. You don't have to have a GTR, you know. You just let them try on your shoes, let them use your iPhone that you have. That might be the latest iPhone, maybe they don't have it, or I don't know, let them ride your bike, do something, you know, share the experience with others. That's all I'm trying to say, and I'll catch you guys very soon for the next video. Once again, thank y'all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button because I got more GTR content coming soon, and I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay, and the Doge Butters, she's knocked out, and we're out.